What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. It is Thursday night. Actually, Friday morning. It's already midnight, I believe. But anyways, I feel like I got everything ready. Got a full-size spare. Got ATF fluid, got some oil, got coolant, got some tools, got my clothes, got my scan tool, got my battery jumper. I feel like I got everything required for a trip. Well, that sucks. Wonder what's wrong with that one. Well, I'll check it out later. I'm tired right now. Check it out at my friend's house, but start heading out because I got a long trip to go. Oh crap. Oh, I'm so tired. 12:10. Ay, ay, ay. First stop, just getting out to stretch. Oh, lip came out pretty good. Rambling, but car is dirty. Did not have time to wash it, but I am going to wash it at my friend's house. Car really needs a wash. It is dirty, filthy, but this is the first rest stop. We're about 100 miles in. Still have about another 100 for Bakersfield. I'm gonna meet up with one of my old Corolla buddies from back in the day, and I gotta do my front brakes at his house because I do not have time to do them at my house. You could probably see them. They're bad. Anyways, just moving on. Second rest stop. A little disappointed that the front lip is a different color. I gave them the correct paint coat and for some reason it's a little bit darker, but it's fine. I'm probably gonna get the whole car repainted soon. I'm gonna buy a whole new front bumper. I already have the whole Grady lip, a new one. So when that happens, I'm gonna get the whole car repainted. I mean, it has its flaws, like right here has this chip. When I rolled the fenders, I didn't really care much about it, so like all the paint right here is like cracked. We didn't do a good good job right here on the pillars. Where else is there flaws? Oh, paint's coming off of the rear lip. This paint job just has its flaws. It was done in a garage, so I mean, what are you gonna expect? We got a lot of damage here from when my sisters back in and out of their cars. This little chip right here, Toby, you did this when we were installing the coilovers on the car. I think that's it. What the hell is this? This is new right here. I didn't see that. Got about an hour left to Bakersfield. Gonna need to do my front brakes because I didn't have time during the day to do them. Hopefully Mr. Kimmel will help me out with that and continue on with our day. Gonna go to a junkyard, gonna go to a couple of arcades, video game stores and whatnot. See what's up. Come find me. I'm at ToyotaFest.
I don't have it battery. Oh, I think you went off. Oh, okay. Alright, where are we going, dude?
Fine, Gio, Matt, CJ, and everyone else. Lisa, say hi.
How do you know? Some build ideas or what? New one. Yeah, it's the water. Okay. The only one car they had is just that far.
Alright, we need alcohol.
I didn't want to bring my Toyota shirt because then I would be like everyone else.
So you put the sweatshirt over it?
No, I meant the Toyota work shirt that I still have.
Oh. Really stupid.
Yes. Verge of kind of like that.
They were saying that the platform was so big that they were able to dance on it.
That's sick.
370 wheels on a Cressida. I like the primer overspray all over the dash.
Dude, caliper fit is so tight it looks like a cartoon.
Backfire.
Like that.
Appreciate this.
Do you?
It's like my car. What the hell? Let's see if I know any of these guys.
I don't think I've ever seen.
Yeah, matches the color.
Yeah.
You know about the Works Meisters?
I don't care much to look at the car itself. I kind of want to see the engine bay. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy.
remember.
We never left the country. Back then, it was just probably a trip down to see her parents and then back, or something like that.
Where's the wax?
Even more like.
Let those trumpets breathe.
What up? Hey, man.
It's that time.
Where's Mac at?
He was down there.
Yeah.
He was actually looking for you.
I saw CJ text me.
So first we have the big bowl
So these are the two.
Take a close look if you don't mind.
holding tickets. And are you ready to shake and pull? Support team? Okay. Let's. Time to pull the first ticket. Here we go, Steve. You're pulling, Steve.
That's my ticket! There it is! And the individual. All right, here we go.
Driver's side.
And the prize is.
See any of the lines for it. It is an intercooler, dude.
Nice.
Here's like the intake, exhaust, and then the heat exchangers right here.
First Steve in
I totally
California.
thought this wouldn't be for fluid.
And the rest
It's like, it looks like vacuum or something.
Yeah, and
That's sick.
then I have
Toyota
a pusher fan and a puller fan. So I still have both fans, just the other one's tucked away.
Is this an aftermarket radiator that you can buy, or did you get this made?
I had it made, but you can order through the company and they'll make this one.
That little Pontiac vibe again the show.
Okay.
Dude, turbo.
Oh, it's a. They got it as a Volts, dude.
Hell yeah.
It's the Pontiac vibe.
sick.
That's nice.
Dude, my TRD supercharger is actually a GM Performance Parts supercharger.
Yeah, and Irvin had the same one.
Top man, it's a real thing. It takes the fits.
There you go, dude. Doesn't that answer your question?
Whoa, it fits. Yo.
That answers your
This
question.
answers my question.
There you go. That answers your question. You should probably ask this guy questions. You should ask this guy questions.
That's me.
Does he have like a social media sticker? Maybe you could hit him up on social media. Wow.
That's some trouble on the money shift.
Oh yeah, I remember you told me.
That looks like the regular rear trans mount.
Check out the motor mount. See that?
What's wrong with it?
They
No,
got
they
just
cut it.
stacked it up with like pieces of aluminum.
Oh,
You see it, right?
yeah. Sorry to say. Hell, I take B series too.
Wow. K20.
Line 4.
Oh, you're the same thing at meantime. That little.
Oh yeah.
But it's also a camera.
Yes.
I'm really good at ranting, but only when
I ranted. I got a
I
little
rant to
famous
people
about
who
it.
I'm comfortable. What was the rant about?
I can show you later on. Later on today.
You're gonna be like, here's the link. Check it on your own time.
No,
I'm just
I
messing with
guess
you, dude.
I'll try to be a little bit more open this time.
Yeah. 15th anniversary of 1998.
Is that like people really do voice it like that?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It is 15. Yeah. It's all 1997. I guess all 97.
Oh okay. I see.
Oh, let's try to find Sumit.
Yeah. I like that green, dude.
Everyone's just so focused on like, oh, my car makes no sense. Why do you think I'm asking?
It was nice being here at ToyotaFest. See you next year. Adios, just like James said. Until next year.